Alright everyone, so let's go ahead and install n8n locally on our device. Now I am here on my Mac, but if you're on a Windows PC, everything is the same except the command prompt that you're going to type on. So on a Mac I have my terminal, but if you're on a Windows PC, go ahead and open up a command prompt and type all the commands as I do here. Now the first thing we need to check is if we have Node and npm installed. So to do that, just type node-v and npm-v. Okay, so as you can see, I have that installed. If you don't get a version here and you get something like command not found, not to worry, you need to just go to nodejs.org/n or nodejs.org and then download, get Node.js and download the installation for your operating system, Mac or Windows or Linux, wherever you are, right? Go ahead and install that, then go back to your window and restart it and type node-v and npm-v, and you should have a version installed after that. All right, so once we have those, we can go ahead and actually install n8n on our local device. And the command to actually install it is very simple. We have npm install -g, this means globally on our machine, and n8n, right? So you're installing n8n with npm, which you of course already have. So if you hit enter on that, it would just go ahead and install n8n for you. I already have it installed, obviously, on my machine, but let's go ahead and install it again. Alright, so it took a couple of minutes for mine to get installed, but I have it installed now. I already had it, so I don't think it actually did anything, but in any case, there it is. Now, if you get a few warnings like I do, deprecated libraries and so on, don't worry too much about that. Just type n8n and run it, and that should run n8n locally on your device. So now, as you see here, it says press O to open in the browser. So let's hit O, and that will open up an instance of n8n. You can see here it's at localhost, so my local device. The port is 5678, and we have set up because this is the first time we open it up. Right, so now you can go ahead and create your owner account, email, name and password, create that, and that will take you to the main interface of n8n.